6207. This is an accessible balcony. We'll get to the bathroom here last, but as you can see, it's a nice big wide door. So is the entryway. By the way, you also have access out here. We'll show you in a different video. But as you come in, you have a nice wide space. Lots of room down here as well. Okay, we might as well just show you the bed to begin with. They are, it's in its king configuration, but it can be separated to be two twins. This has 2 US power there, 2 US power there, as well as USB here in the middle. So lots of power in this cabin. And the night light, the nightstands with the lights actually have 2 USB power in there as well. Okay, down here at the closet, cubbies on this side with your safe, and then this side is for hanging. Back on this side, this is your desk area. All right, what is this? Can you read that, Lisa? While she's looking to read that, there's 2 US power, 2 USB, and European.
It says short touch for light on off. Keep touching for...
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. For
nice.
3 seconds.
And this has been an upgraded cabin because this is a nice big TV in it. So this has been recently refurbished where some of the others do not. By the way, this is your third closet. All right. There's your mini fridge down there. I already showed the dryer. All right. So now this, to get outside, you just press the button and it opens automatically. All right. The door will open. There's a ramp and the ramp will go down and you'll have access to roll right out to your balcony. Okay. All right. Great views. No, maybe except for that, but not too bad. All right. Press the button again and it'll close. So let's go look at that bathroom. Again, it's roll right in. Look at how this is finished. Beautiful. This almost looks like a suite, Lisa.
It almost does.
Yeah, maybe it is not just a regular balcony. Maybe it's a suite. Got emergency poles in here. Bench you can transfer over to. This reminds me of the junior suite we saw earlier.
I agree. The finishes in the bathroom.
Yeah. All right, well, there you go. We believe it's just a balcony, but maybe it is a junior suite. Don't know. We'll know by the time we show you this. Ciao.